In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to send high quality videos via WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now the iPhone does take some very high quality videos, but the problem is when you send these videos via WhatsApp, WhatsApp applies a lot of compression and the video ends up getting to the recipient as a downgraded version of the video, of the original video. So I'll be showing you how you can send the exact original video via WhatsApp on your iPhone. So to do this, you have to send the video as a document. And to send the video as a document, that video has to be first of all transferred to the Files app, and that's the only way you can send it as a document. So you can go into Files on your iPhone and then choose On My iPhone, and then you can even create a folder. Like this is a folder I created. You can create one by tapping on these three dots and selecting New Folder and then creating a folder. So this is an empty folder, as you can see. I already named it WhatsApp, and that's why I plan to send all photos and videos I intend to send via WhatsApp. Now with your folder ready, you can now go back to the Photos app, find the video you want to send, or videos if you have multiple videos, like this one for instance. So as you can see, this is a very high quality slow motion video taken on my iPhone. So let's say I want to send this particular video. So what you need to do is go to the video, tap on the share icon, and then from the share menu, tap on Save to Files. And then that will open your Files app. Navigate to your folder. Mine is on my iPhone. The folder is called WhatsApp, and I need to tap on Save to transfer the video to the Files app. So let's just go there and check if it arrived in one piece. There you go. So there is our video. As you can see, still very high quality iPhone video. So now it's time to send it via WhatsApp. So go to WhatsApp and then open the chat of the person you want to send it to, and then tap on plus on the left hand side of the chat bar. And then instead of selecting photo and video library, select document. And that should take you into the Files app. In the Files app, just navigate and find your folder and then find the video. If it's multiple videos, you can just go selecting all the videos and then tap on Open. And as you can see, it's going to prepare a preview, and then now you can hit send, and it's going to send the video in the original quality and format that you took it. So you can see the video right here. It's a .mov video file, and that's basically how to send high quality videos via WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.